Morning, guys. Here's a Vehicross this morning. We got the old differential out yesterday. I didn't show a lot of that. Kind of on a timeline to get things done and get out of here. I'm working in my parents' garage. They live about an hour away from me. I've got to be out of here by about noon today, so I've just got a few hours to get the new one bolted back in and at least get it so we can roll it out of the garage if we want to. Got my Rancho shocks on there, adjustable. Got these airlift airbags in. They really help to smooth out the ride, and also if you're carrying a heavy load you can pump them up a little bit more and it helps it from bottoming out all the time. So why are we replacing the rear end on this? Well, let me show you. It started off with just a simple wheel bearing. Had a bad wheel bearing in the back. Just pulled the axle, not a big deal. But these things have a tone ring on them for the ABS that you just cannot get off. So we actually had, we've got a 20-ton press in the shop here. Had the thing just glowing and we still couldn't get the thing off. So we found a shop in Rochester here that would look at it, and they said you got to cut them off. So they started doing that. So you can see the tone ring's just destroyed from them trying to cut it off. They didn't get very far. So I decided, well, I'm just going to order a new hub, tone ring, axle, and be done with it because I've got to have this thing back on the road. Because I'm less than a month away before I take it out to Colorado. And there's a few other things I need to fix on it, so I wanted it back on the road as quickly as possible. Well, the problem is you cannot get these parts. At least I couldn't find them. Every site that I found claimed to have them. I placed an order, and then the next day they'd call and say, nope, we don't have them. 8 to 10 week lead time from Japan. And besides this, I'll show you the old rear end. So here's the old one. Gears were good, but the brake lines were shot. The brake lines were all rusted out. The rotors were shot on it. The ABS sensors were shot. So what I ended up doing is I found a used low mile complete rear axle. Has sensors, has good brake lines, same gear ratio. It still has posi. All these Vehicrosses had posi traction. Shipped to my door was $500. So that's the way I went. They had it up here in 3 days. I can get the thing back together, get it back on the road, and it won't screw up my trip. So what else do I need to do to this thing? Well, I obviously have to get the rear end in. I still need to change the tranny fluid on it. Windshield still leaks. It's going to be sitting outside, so I got to try and fix that. It's got a big hole in the fender, rust hole. I wanted to patch that, but I don't know if I'll get to that. I don't know if you can see it. You can actually poke your finger right through there and hit the carpet. That might have to wait for another time. And it uses a lot of oil, which I guess these things are known for, so I guess we'll just see if we can make it out to Colorado. The plan is to drive it out to Utah end of April, spend a couple days in Moab, and then run it back to Colorado, and it's going to sit out there. I'm just going to leave it out there in a secured parking lot. So I have a kind of a base camp. You can fly out and grab it and then head out. quick update. The rear end's pretty much done. It's in. Brake lines are hooked up. New brakes. New caliper on this side.